Let's start recording. Good, it's recording, we're good. We are getting a lot of lightning action. I turned it off so I could watch a little bit of the NASCAR, because last time I got, I got almost banned, from, I don't know what I'm trying to say, anyways. I kind of want to step outside. I don't want to speak for my parents, but I will anyways. I'm gonna step outside real quick. We just got reports of a 70-mile-an-hour wind gust in Tipton, Indiana, which is, maybe about an hour and a half away from where I am. So, whoa, that was a big one. Here comes the rain. I think I'll just stay inside. That was a sign from God. God was saying, don't go outside. Well, that was a big one.